Hello, Tin. Birthday celebrant. On our way home. I love. I love. Hi, Christian. This is the official day of Christine's birthday. She's officially 55.
Wow, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Till
56.
next time. 55 lang. Okay, bye. Hello, we're here at the famous Chinese restaurant here in Canmore. So, nagpark muna tayo dito, guys, kasi papuntang Edmonton is around 4 hours. So, kain muna tayo. We're just going to ask the owner kung pwede makapark dito kasi we're park dito lang sa may driveway niya, baka magalit. Need to stretch and be ready for another long drive. So, kain muna tayo ng masarap dito. Tingnan natin kung gaano ito ka-famous. Kasi sabi famous daw eh. If their food is worth it, then we'll check it out. Saka lab. Saan? So, this restaurant is called... ganda ng view, guys. Oh. You can just see the mountain. So, the name of the restaurant is a famous Chinese restaurant. Itong pangalan ng restaurant kaya pala famous kasi famous Chinese restaurant. Pag hindi famous, syempre lalagyan nila Laos Chinese restaurant. Specializing in Sichuan and Peking cuisine. Okay, tingnan natin anong meron sa loob. Okay, to give you a view inside the restaurant. So kami pala ang customer. Yan. Marami pang bakante, guys. Maganda ang restaurant. It's kind of warm because of the oak color. Siguro may pa-buffet sila mamaya. Check na natin nung pwede natin i-order.
Ano masarap?
Siguradong fried rice. Deshan, you like fried rice, right? What fried rice you like? What kind of fried rice? Yeah, you always like some fried rice. Special fried rice. Because there's different kinds of fried rice. There's yang chow fried rice, there's special fried rice, there's egg fried rice, soft fried rice. Yeah. You name it.
Yang chow? Gusto mo yang chow? Merong yang chow.
So this is their food, guys. Of course, they got the appetizer, soup, vegetables. Then you also got seafoods here, beef.
Anong klaseng type?
So, as usual, medyo pricey dito, guys, kasi nasa Canmore tayo.
Ano? Ano ba? Chow mein?
And we need to be energized, guys.
Yes, we're ready.
Kasi magdadrive tayo papuntang Edmonton. Kailangan busog.
And then the
Kung tayo order.
sour pork. And then deep fried chicken wings.
Fried chicken wings, yeah. Good.
And then the noodles. Which one do you recommend?
What's their special noodles there?
Anong klaseng noodles gusto mo? Yung makapal? Or
Anong gusto mo? Noodles?
anong klase?
Kahit ano din, it's okay.
What do you recommend? Canton noodles? Is there a canton noodle? The yellow one? Cantonese.
Cantonese noodles.
Yan, gusto mo?
Gusto mo yan? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay with noodles.
You take the video?
I'm doing vlog.
Oh.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Not her. Don't take her.
No. I'll put a smiley face on you.
No.
No? Okay. That's okay. I can omit. Don't worry. Yeah, it's okay.
Delete na lang, stop it.
No. It's okay.
Okay, this one. This one. Cantonese? Cantonese chow mein. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. That's it. And the drink? What do you have to
Do you have Coke Zero?
No, Diet Coke.
Okay, I'll go Diet Coke then.
We'll do Diet Coke. Diet Coke.
Diet Coke. Yes, okay.
Okay.
How about you, Chan? What do you like?
Apple juice, mango juice, orange juice. Mango juice. And how about you? Apple juice? Oh, apple juice. Okay. Apple juice and mango juice. Diet Coke. And Diet Coke too. Sorry for that.
How about you, Lab?
Yes.
Ano mo ka-drink mo, Lab?
Two Diet Coke.
Ano drink mo?
Nandun na, mango. Okay, thank you so
Okay.
much.
Mango juice.
No.
Ang Lab? Ha? Kain tayo. Kain na tayo. Okay, fried rice. Ating fried rice lang. Fried rice tayo. Ito pa fried chicken nila. Ganyan pa.
Maginip at rice. Ay, malamot. So you like that one?
That one's good. Ako chicken wings din, di ba? Din. Ako chicken wings. Naman sa chicken wings. Drumstick ko love. Tama ba ako?
With rice. Pero hindi siya.
Nakaka-chicken wings yung ganun.
Kaya pa siya lang. Oh, wow.
Hmm? Ang tawag. Sweet and sour pork. Let's try the sweet and sour pork. Ayun. Sweet and sour pork. Masarap ang chicken nila. Pwede pa nagawin ng forma ng chicken wings. Akala ko chicken wings dapat yung parang letter B. How's your food, Sam? Good? This is the fried noodles. Fried noodles to tin. Ang tawag dito tin. Fried noodles. Kasi parang niprito siya, tapos nilagyan ng sauce. Saan natin? Saan natin? Mas maganda pa yung malambot, no? Hindi malutong natin. Okay na sa noodles, Tab. 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 Okay na sa noodles.
So, saan ka ba?
Oo, danda ka sa noodles. No? Maalat. Ang noodles nila medyo maalat. Ano siya order? Sa pang prices. Private lang.
Lahat nila kumain.
Ayan, okay? Hi, Tin. Halab. Yeah. Ang fried rice, okay, masarap. Food review. Ito, medyo maalat. Chicken is good, and so with the sweet and sour pork. I would say from 1 to 10, kanina kami kumain. Natira pa. Pwede ba kainin mamaya? Pero pang fried chicken, pati fried noodles. So, babalutin lang namin ito para makaalis na kami at makauwi sa Edmonton. Hi guys, magandang weather. It's a little sunny. And pauwi na tayo guys. I would say ang pagkain masarap, except lang yung sa fried noodles, medyo mapait. And one issue there, ayaw ng waitress mag-vlog tayo doon. But I still took some videos ng food. Kaya yung ginawa ko guys para may remembrance tayo dito sa famous Chinese restaurant.